how to change your Wi-Fi password. For the first thing that you need to find out your Wi-Fi router gateway IP address. So where you can find your Wi-Fi gateway IP address? Just go to just take your Wi-Fi and flip it back. On the back side, maybe you can find an IP address. It's like 192.168.0.1. For Mac user, just go to Wi-Fi symbol and click, just hold the option button and click on it. Okay, just hold the option button and click on the Wi-Fi icon. Then you can find the router, the 192.168.0.1. This is just for my Wi-Fi router. If you are using another vendor, another company Wi-Fi router, it may be a different IP address. Okay, just find out what is your IP gateway IP address or the router IP address.
For Windows machine, go to run, just press the window button and R, then on the run just type cmd for command prompt, and once command prompt will be open, just type ipconfig. Okay, hit enter. As you can see, the default gateway 192.168.0.1, so you have to type this IP address. Okay,
Then just open any browser, like I'm using Safari here, 192, and type the IP address. Stay on, then enter. So as you can see, I'm using a TP-Link Wi-Fi router. So for this kind of router, username and password by default is admin and admin. So I mean the username is admin and password also admin. Okay, so but I change this default password. So if you want to see that how did I change my default administrator password, just comment down below so I can make a video for you. Okay, then just log in to your home router Wi-Fi. Okay, so I just logged in. Here you can see so many options. So if you want to know, if you are so curious about the Wi-Fi router, just give me a comment. Okay, so I can briefly discuss with you that what you want to know about Wi-Fi router, which option you are looking for, what kind of features you want from a Wi-Fi router. Okay, fine. Now we are going to change the wireless password, right? So just click on wireless. This is just for TP-Link router. Okay, TP-Link router only for this model TLWR841N. So this is the old Wi-Fi router. Maybe this new kind of new version of Wi-Fi router of TP-Link is a different scenario, but find out the wireless option. So just go to wireless option, then you can see the wireless security option, and as you can see my Wi-Fi password is here. Just change it and save this button. Okay, so that's it. So if you are using new model of TP-Link router, so same way, just click the wireless option to change your Wi-Fi password. Okay, now here is the twist. As you can see here, there is a two password field, right? So you may be confused that which password field is required, but I want to say both are required, because as you can see here, the first one is a 244 gigahertz wireless password, and the second one is the 5 gigahertz wireless password. So what is 2.4 gigahertz and 5 gigahertz? The 2.4 gigahertz, uh, if you are staying in another room, or you have a minimum 30 meter or 40 meter distance from your Wi-Fi router, so then you have to use 2.4 gigahertz. Okay, if you stand beside your Wi-Fi router, so you have to use 5 gigahertz. So if you are standing beside a Wi-Fi router, it's not mandatory that you have to use 5 gigahertz router. So there is a two option available. You can choose between them. Both are available for that time. Okay, but when you are far away from your Wi-Fi router, then there is a no option. You have to choose a 2.4 gigahertz, because 5 gigahertz for shorter distance and 2.4 gigahertz for longer distance. Okay, so in that case you have to change both sides to for 2.4 gigahertz and 5 gigahertz. Okay, so this is for new model, and if this is not a sponsored video, the TP-Link not sponsor me for this video. Okay, so for the demonstration I am using the TP-Link Wi-Fi router. Okay, thanks for watching. Bye, see ya.